This is Joan of Art. Today, a good friend of mine passed away, and in her honor, I'm making this video. It reminds me of certain Ilonggo words pertaining to death and dying. The Ilonggos are poetic about death. The Ilonggos are not very upfront, especially when talking about these kinds of things. So, in Hiligaynon or Ilonggo, we have come up with certain words that are more pleasing to the ears than by just simply saying the word patay. Patay means dead or the dead person. Napatay is the past tense. It's someone who has been dead. Mapatay is the future tense, is going to die. In Tagalog, it's basically the same. It's also patay, and you always hear that in the news. Patay as a word, especially in Tagalog news, has been widely used, especially in tabloid reporting. But over the years, because of constant use, patay has become an ordinary word. In Ilonggo, we have words that are more poetic, and we just don't say napatay, although in ordinary language we just say napatay. But to be more poetic about it, we say nagtaliwan or nagpanaw. Now, taliwan and panaw means the same thing. They simply mean went away. So nag is the past tense, and taliwan and panaw means going away. So if somebody has left or went away, they just say panaw. Magpanaw na ako. I'm going away, and you can always say that. Only that it's always associated to dying or going away for good forever. So sometimes when you say mataliwan na ako or magpanaw na ako, and then you'll get a surprise look where you're going. Or it's the poetic way of saying that a person has died, or nagpanaw or nagtaliwan. So for my friend who just passed away today, nagtaliwan, subong nga adlaw, this video is dedicated to you. My friend was brutally murdered, ginpatay. The act of killing is pagpatay. Getting killed is napatay. In behalf of the artist community, we bereave the loss of a great and beautiful artist, and we condemn the killing of our friend. May her soul rest in peace. There's no word for goodbye in Ilonggo. We don't have a word for goodbye, actually, so can't say goodbye or bye-bye. Sometimes we say, hasta diri na lang, or until then, see you again soon. Bye-bye.